Hey guys, welcome to Mike Mind Academy, and in this freeCodeCamp lesson we'll learn about regular expressions. Find one or more criminals in a hunt. Time to pause and test your new regex writing skills. A group of criminals escaped from jail and ran away, but you do not know how many. However, you do know that they stay close together and they are around other people. You are responsible for finding all of the criminals at once. Here is an example to review how to do this. The regex z plus matches the letter Z when it appears one or more times in a row. It would find matches in all of the following strings: 1Z, multiple Z's, ABC and then multiple Z's, ZZZ's and ABC, ABC, ZZZ, ABC. But it does not find matches in the following strings since there are no letter Z characters. So an empty string, ABC, ABC, ABC. So no Z's, no matches. Make sense? Then in the exercise we should write a greedy regex that finds one or more criminals within a group of other people. A criminal is represented by the capital letter C. So over here we see an example: people, 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 criminals, people, people, people. So here are some indications of what the regex should find or not. And we must change this line, which currently is just a period. A period, as you know, will match any character. And we do not need this, we need only the C character. So for this we just add the C and plus. By putting C plus, it will basically mean that it will find only the C in the string. So let's run the test. And happy, joy. See you in the next lesson.